Welcome to Terminal 2 in Los Angeles. This is the kind of old existing Delta terminal. But in a moment, I'll be headed over to Terminal 3, which is brand new. So I'm anxious to see what that looks like. So we're going past the old Sky Club, or the new Sky Club. And if you want to see what the new Sky Club looks like, there's a link over here, and you can check that out. If you want to see what an Embraer 175 is like in first class, you can also look at that. So anyway, without further delay, let's walk over to Terminal 3. From the Department of Redundancy Department, we're walking from Gate 20 down the connecting hallway. This connecting hallway will take you all the way to the Tom Bradley International Terminal after security, so it's very convenient. But first, we're going to stop at the Delta Sky Club. Behind me is the fantastic Delta Sky Club here in LAX. If you haven't had the opportunity and you have a membership, what are you waiting for? It's fantastic. The outdoor seating terrace is my favorite. So we'll continue past TSA and at the head end of Terminal 3. Okay, so I'm at the top end of Terminal 3. Behind me, right there. If you go back that way, that'll take you to the International Terminal, gates 100 and above. Tom Bradley. And if I roll around here, look behind me here, that's Terminal 3. Looks like, as with every airport, there's a Starbucks coming soon, as well as duty free, of course. So I got to go to 32B, and I got like 45 minutes, so we can walk around and see what's down there. Continuing on, let's walk through and do a little loop through Terminal 3. It's quite lovely. I hope you enjoy it. Nice wood furnishings on the ceiling. They look pretty. Of course, you got the high-use floor. I could really use a bag tag. I don't know if I'm going to get one here. First set of gates. Lots of seats with lots of power. Doggo. A Gameway. I wonder how much usage that gets. I think I've seen that in Dallas, I think. And then you got your bathroom areas. Water refilling stations, of course. Kind of in the middle now. It's just not as big as I thought it was going to be, honestly. So we got Homeboy Bakery, Jamba Juice, and an In Motion. And then over here we got Native. Like a bar. I need a banana or something healthy. I have to look around for that. Oh, I see bananas. The Homeboy Bakery has bananas. After we finish our tour, I'll probably come back for that. And headed down to gate 32. I can already see what might be my favorite feature of this. Big chairs by the big window. Looks like just more gates down here. Here's a chicken and a beer. There's my gate 32. It has been delayed. Plenty of seating, lots of fantastic stuff. Keep walking over to the airplane's here. It does smell. It's got that new carpet smell. Tokyo Haneda. Be kind of fun being on that flight. So here's the power situation with the seats. USB A, C, and 3-prong. Looks pretty nice. Pretty much at every seat. That's pretty amazing. And if you arrive in Terminal 3, you can go downstairs to bag claim, get your ground transport. Another restaurant called Alfred. I have to get some kettle corn. And some more bathrooms. Alright, that's kind of the tour. Go check out the big seats. Which are all blocked off. That's disappointing. I don't know why they're blocked off. But they are. So the Hudson here is scan your credit card to go in, and it probably does auto checkout. That's interesting. Just walk out. I hope you enjoyed the tour of Delta's new Terminal 3 at LAX International. If you have any questions or comments about the terminal or Delta Airlines, I'll do my best to answer those. Please post those comments below. If you're looking to support the channel, there are multiple ways you can do that. The easiest, of course, is to subscribe, make comments. If you want to go further, you can become a member. Members are awesome. I really appreciate their support. Click the join button for details on that. Next up for me is the flight from LAX to Houston in first class with Delta Airlines, and it is the full service treatment this time. Stay tuned for that. As always, happy travels, everyone.